I'm so happy that you're here today. And guess what? Today we are going to learn the names of the fruits in Papiamentu. Are you ready? Can you say si mitakla? Okay, let's say it together. Si mitakla. Come on, let's go! This is a banana, right? Banana is bakoba in Papiamentu. Bakoba. Can you say that? Say ba, ko, ba. Good. Let's say it again. Bakoba. Good. Bakoba is banana. This is an apple. An apple in Papiamentu is apel. Apple. Can you say that? Say apple. Okay, good job. Apple. This is an orange. An orange in Papiamentu is apelsina. Apelsina. Okay, let's say that together. Say apelsina. Apelsina. This one is a strawberry. Strawberry in Papiamentu is strawberry. Strawberry. Good. Let's say that again. Strawberry. This fruit is a mango. Mango. Mango in Papiamentu is mango. Mango. Can you say that? Say mango. Okay. Let's say that together. Mango. These are grapes. Grapes in Papiamentu is drùif. Let's say that again. Drùif. Can you say that by yourself? Say drùif. Oh, okay. This one is a watermelon. We love to eat watermelon in the summer, don't you? Watermelon in Papiamentu is papaya. Papaya. Can you say that by yourself? Say papaya. Let's say that together. Papaya. This one is a pear. I love fruits. Pear in Papiamentu is pera. Can you say that? Say pera. Okay, now let's say it together. Pera. Good. This one is a papaya. Guess what? Papaya stays the same. Papaya in Papiamentu is papaya. Let's say it together. Papaya. Okay, now you say it by yourself. Say papaya. This one is pineapple. Pineapple is yellow and yummy. Pineapple in Papiamentu is anasa. Okay, we gotta practice. Let's say anasa. Good. Now let's say it together. Anasa. Good. Na mi huela sukas, tengo pi fruta de cura. Pintende babosa, pintende babosa. Bakoba, bakoba. Apel, apel. Strawberry, strawberry. Pear, pear. Drùif, drùif. Apelsina, apelsina. Anasa, anasa. Papaya, papaya. Papaya, papaya. Hey! Should we sing that one more time? Now, this time you have to repeat after me, okay? So I'm gonna stay quiet and you have to repeat. Let's do it. Na mi huela sukas, tengo pi fruta de cura. Pinten de babosa, pinten de babosa. Bakoba, papaya, apel, strawberry, anasa, drùif, apelsina, pear, papaya. Good! Okay, let's repeat all the fruits that we just learned. Banana is bakoba. Apple is apel. Mango is mango. Strawberry is strawberry. Oranges is apelsina. Watermelon is papaya. Grapes is drùif. Pear is pear. Papaya is papaya. Let's test and see if you remember all the fruits in Papiamentu, okay? I'm gonna say, what fruit is this? But I'm gonna say it in Papiamentu. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? What fruit is this? And you have to scream it. Ready? Okay, let's play. What fruit is this? ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Good. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Are you sure? Good, yeah. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Good. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Okay, hopipo. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Good. You guys are doing amazing. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Are you sure? Good. Yes. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Okay, good. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Yes, yes. One last one. ¿Cuál fruta es esta? Good. We are going to run and the fruits are going to appear up here and we're going to jump and we're going to catch them with our cabeza, with our head. So you jump and catch them. Are you ready? Let's run. Thank you everyone for having so much fun with me today. We were singing, we were dancing, we were playing games. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for next week. We're gonna have a part 2 of fruits in Papiamentu. Bye!